Hello friends. There was a lot of drama, confusion and frenzy around the election. Last week, almost all the exit polls declared a landslide victory for BJP. As a result, on Monday the market shot up. Nifty rose around 800 points and Bank Nifty rose around 2300 points and a lot of people made a lot of money. On Tuesday the results came, the exit polls were wrong and the markets plunged. Bank Nifty lost 5000 points and Nifty lost around 2000 points. At present, the market, both the indices are at the same level as they were on Friday. There were some conspiracy theories doing rounds like the exit polls were rigged so that when the market rises on Monday, a certain section of favored individuals can make money. If indeed there was a conspiracy or not, I don't know. I'm not interested either. As a retail investor, the only thing I'm interested in is how to make money of the market during events like this. That is what we are going to discuss in this video. Welcome to Aarti's Tax Info. Now, during event days like elections, war, or festivities, or a pandemic like Corona, etc., the markets tend to be super volatile. Now, why does this happen? The markets are almost all the markets around the world are controlled by players like foreign institutional investors (FIIs), domestic institutional investors (DIIs), and high net worth individuals (HNIs). These people come with a capital of thousands of crores, 10,000, 20,000, and even 30,000 crores. Even though their ultimate aim is to make money off the market, the decisions they make or the games they play in the market is dictated by the political, social, economic, and business climate of the country. Now, as they come with a capital size of 20 or 30,000 crores, the 5 or 10 lakhs capital that a retail investor like you or me have is peanuts for them. So then how do we make money? If you're already invested through SIP, you can sit back and relax. But if you're someone who is looking for a lump sum investment, these are opportunities you should never miss. So let's take 3 blue chip companies and do something like what a contra mutual fund will do. If you haven't watched the shorts I've made on contra mutual funds, you can watch it here. So let's take 3 blue chip companies: SBI, HDFC, and Tata Motors. The share price of SBI on Friday was 830 rupees. It fell to 743 rupees on Tuesday, and it came back to around 817 rupees at the time of shooting this video. That is on Thursday. HDFC was around 1,525 rupees on Friday. It fell to 1,462 rupees on Tuesday. And at the time of shooting this video, the price is around 1,557 rupees. Tata Motors was 924 rupees on Friday. It fell to 855 rupees on Tuesday. And it is right now at around 937 rupees. So if you are a lump sum investor and you have around, say, just for example, you have 1 lakh rupees in a hand, and you're looking to invest into one of these companies. If you're invested 1 lakh rupees in SBI on Tuesday, the current market value would be around 1,09,960. If you're invested 1 lakh rupees in HDFC, the current market value would be 1,06,498 rupees. If you're invested in Tata Motors, the current market value would be 1,09,591 rupees. So if you see, the returns that you get in just 2 days is 6.5 to 10%. HDFC is giving you a return of 6.5% and Tata Motors and SBI are giving a return of 10%. And year's worth of FD returns is around 7%. So instead of waiting for 12 months, in just 2 days you're getting a return of 6.5 to 10%. Now that is how we should be playing this market. So if you had noticed, I didn't take any small cap or mid cap company. The companies that I choose should be robust. There should be large cap companies, blue chip companies who will be here in the long run. And each election or each natural disaster or each war comes with a certain unique set of variables, and they'll differ from event to event. So this is not a recommendation to go with SBI, HDFC, or Tata Motors during all elections or all event days. Please keep that in mind. And always have some extra money in your kitty if you're a lump sum investor for making use of events like this. I hope you learned something from this video. For more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.